gbọ́ ohun tí Seun Kuti sọ nípa MC Oluomo àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ tó wà nínú àmì àwọn Amẹ́ríkà. Ṣé ẹ sì mọ̀ pé lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí náà ni Trump lóun fẹ́ kó àwọn sójà wá láti wá ṣe ṣégè méje fún àwọn terrorist ní Nàìjíríà. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà ni Seun Kuti ti dìde o, ló ti wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn tó jẹ́ pé ọmọ wọn wà nínú àmì àwọn Amẹ́ríkà. Pé ṣé bọ́rọ̀ bá sì wá rí bí Trump ṣe sọ yẹn, ṣé àwọn ọmọ yìí báwo náà ṣe fẹ́ ṣe wọ́n dẹ̀ máa dojúkọ àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ní àbí báwo? Ẹ wo, ó yànnàná ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, ó farabalẹ̀ yànnàná ẹ̀ tó sì béèrè àwọn ìbéèrè kan tó lágbára. Bó ṣe ń béèrè náà bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń dárúkọ àwọn ọmọ MC Oluomo, ló ń dárúkọ MC Oluomo àti àwọn olóṣèlú tó kù. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ọ̀rọ̀ ń bẹ́nu fọ́nrán yìí o, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ohùn lẹ́nu Seun Kuti lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́.
Now, na children don't dey military, American military. Yes, I mean one of them is MC Oluomo, because this will make all of us come outside, come talk our own part. So when America invade Nigeria now, MC Oluomo, I beg explain. Say your pikin say go come kill us. Your pikin say you after everything Nigeria don't do for you, because they see you online where they go praise your pikin every day. Say join American military. You don't put out for Nigerian military. May protect the Nigerians. We don't help your life. We give you everything what you get, or rather that you have taken everything from. We say from their blood you don't extract everything what you get for your life. Your picking now where you put for them, all of now, because that's all these politicians have get, all their children too are British and American citizens. But the ones who even come wars, pastor, those ones their children come even go join the army. Please explain when they come now. When they come, are your children going to come and point guns at us and shoot us on behalf of Americans? And una still, you see, that's why I say Nigerians no get sense. So, shey una think say when una children land, they kill us, una self will just come day free. Make them make sure they protect una to carry una first. Make them first carry una go America, and make una no come back. Because all of them when our children they pose as American army. But boy. Now our children will come back and shoot us. Abi?
Àwọn èèyàn máa sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà tí wọ́n gbóhùn tí Seun Kuti sọ. Arákùnrin kan ó ní salute big bad man, too wise abeg. Oríṣiríṣi làwọn èèyàn sọ o. Èèyàn kan ní ó ní fact ní nǹkan tó ń sọ. Psalm 91 ni bàbá mi, our ancestors keep protecting you and give you more wisdom to reveal the truth. Mr. Victor ni let not deviate from the truth. Seun Akorede Oladosu ni ọmọ serial talk here. Na them put us to this condition in our nation. Oh, Freddie Gini and Gumi's son is in Nigeria army too. And MC Olu's son should be looked because they are all kiniko. African champ, they will send a squad made up of Nigerians who serve there and make the commander white. It will only be said that majority was made up of Nigerian children themselves. They don't 4G. Seun Kuti, wisdom man, after Fela, you are the one who has almost same sense like Baba 70. Ewo ló tún wà ńbẹ̀ táwọn èèyàn sọ. Nwazu ní no caps, bro factor, we gotta wake up. Àwọn èèyàn kan ní good question, brilliant question ló béèrè. Like the whistles ní true. I've even have a friend in USA military since he joined. They hardly even reply messages these days. Rejoice, you are too awake. I wish Nigerians will listen more to you. Èèyàn kan tiẹ̀ tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀. Ohineba, Oni, it's like our forefathers wasted their lives for independence that we never wanted. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí lè ròyìn lórí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Ẹ̀yin náà drop it in the comment section. Remember to like, share, and follow us. Thanks for watching. And love fún ìpolówó ọjà, WhatsApp number PG.